Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about water damage restoration in Dallas Fort Worth. 24/7 damage restoration service. What to do? What do you do when you have a flood in your home? Call a company you can trust. Dalworth Water Damage and Restoration. Call a company you can trust. Dalworth Water Damage and Restoration professionals are certified, bonded and insured for your security and peace of mind. Our experts understand the last thing you need is more stress when your home or business floods. Whether it's a water leak from a burst kitchen pipe or flooding from a natural disaster, contact Dalworth Restoration for your water damage restoration, water cleanup and removal, or a disaster cleanup service in your North Texas town. Dalworth Restoration is the best restoration company in DFW. We offer quick drying solution to your home or commercial property. Dalworth emergency restoration crews are available 24/7 to extract water, remove debris, dry out and repair your residential or commercial property quickly. So guys, that's it. Hope you all understand, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.